Now let's learn how to check whether any number is divisible by 2 or not. And in the previous videos we have seen for 10, we have seen for 5, now it's turn for number 2. So in order to check whether any number is divisible by 2 or not, then you have to remember one rule, or say one condition that number should satisfy is that at the units place, at the units or ones place, at the units or ones place of that number, there should be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So if in any number at the units place of that number, if at the units place of that number it has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 digit, then that number will be divisible by 2. So suppose the number is 20, number is 28, number is 36, number is 48, 10000826. So in all these numbers at the units place, in this case you have 0 digit at the units place, in this number you have 8 digit at the units place, in this number 36 you have 6 as the digit on the units place, here you have 8 as 8 on the units place, and in this case you have 6 at the units place. So if any number has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at its units place, then that number will be divisible by 2. Okay, so this would be like 2 times 10 is 20. This would be 2 times 14 would be 28. You can divide this number by 2 and you will get this, this factor. And similarly for this one, and this one. So suppose you have number 471. Is this number divisible by 2? So you will go at the units place and you will check, okay, at the units place you have the digit 1. Therefore it does not satisfy this condition that you should have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at its units place for any number to be divisible by 2. Then of course this number is not divisible by 2. What about 478? Yes, this number is divisible by 2 because it satisfies this condition and it has 8 at its units place, and therefore this number is divisible by 2.